With SmartThings Cooking Communities, you can now share your favorite one-of-a-kind recipes with others and get inspiration from a community of foodies just like you. To get started, all you need to do is set up your cooking community profile. Once you've set it up, you can browse and join a variety of cooking communities. Tap on the community to find new recipes to add to your repertoire. When you come across one you like, simply tap Join. See a recipe that looks yummy? Tap it to view prep and cook time, as well as a list of ingredients. If you see ingredients that you're going to need, simply select them. And then tap Send to Shopping List. You can also add it to your favorites. And even add it to your meal plan. On the community home screen, you have access to timer, settings, and more. Tap Settings to set food preferences and enable and disable meal planner notifications. Back on the SmartThings Cooking homeboard, you can view your newly created profile, see the meals set in your meal planner, and access View Inside. Your Family Hub refrigerator makes cooking your meals for your family fun and easy.